Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. 2024 has really been about the black buildings and our designer collection. We've done a number of black painted cladding, and then this lovely millboard burnt oak has been a really popular option as well. For 2025, I believe we're going to be doing a lot more with stone. And I'm pleased to announce one of two working partners in the stone area. And our first one here is going to be Caledonian Stone. So they've been great supporting us this year. We've got this lovely display area in our inspiration rooms, and we've done a really lovely update to the bar here. So this was already here, we've stripped everything off, used their cladding on the sides there. What I love about it is that they actually create a corner section. You can see that here. So a corner section of the cladding, which gives you that real nice element there. You can see right down to the edge in a really lovely way. And then the top is actually proper stone. No, nothing composite here, a full stone cladding, showing off a couple of options you wouldn't imagine would be possible necessarily in stone. One is the down stand, which you can kind of see here, which you're seeing on this element here. If you're going to use that with like LED downlights, that would work really well. And then also as we come round this side here, we've actually gone for a pencil rounded option on that edge there. Oh, if I just knock the camera there, you can just get to see it there. So it's a couple of really nice options to show what's possible within stone. We're really excited to be working with Caledonian Stone. We'll be announcing our other partnership later on in 2025. But for now, I just wanted to share with you this new bar, ready for you to come and see at the centre, and new cladding collections which you could use inside or outside as feature walls or as the main product. So really, really lovely options. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. If this is of interest, please feel free to get in contact.